Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Mark here from Blumoo, and today we're going to dive into the world of rhythm and beats. You know, drumming has come a long, long way, and electronic drum sets, they're pretty much the game changers here. I'm excited, scratch that. I'm super pumped to walk you through some of the best electronic drum sets you can get your hands on right now. Whether you're a beginner or maybe you've been drumming for years and just looking to switch to something more, apartment-friendly, we've got something for you. And don't forget, guys, all the links to the products we're going to talk about, they're right down there in the description. So you can easily grab any set that catches your eye or, resonates with your soul. All right, let's hit it and find out which drum set beats the competition. Here we go. So, we're looking at the Roland TD17KVX electronic drum set, right? Well, first off, this thing is pretty sturdy, which is great, especially if you're really pounding on those drums, putting them through the paces during a practice session, or, when you're getting into the groove. The mesh head pads feel super realistic, which, is such a big deal because you want that natural stick rebound that you get from acoustic drums. And the TD17KVX definitely delivers on that front. Now, sound-wise, guys, the TD17 module is packed with some really quality sounds. It's quite impressive. You've got over 300 really dynamic and authentic sounds. They're sampled from high-end acoustic drum sets and cymbals, so they sound super realistic. And there's this cool feature called the coach mode that helps you track your progress and work on your timing, which can be like a game changer for practice sessions, Lastly, connectivity is a breeze with this set. It's got Bluetooth, so you can easily sync up your phone or laptop to play along with songs or backing tracks straight through the module. No messy cables needed. Also, for recording, it's really straightforward. You just connect it to your computer via USB and you're good to go. You can get those MIDI tracks laid down in no time. So overall, if you're serious about drumming and you want a set that can keep up with you as your skills grow, the Roland TD17KVX is definitely worth checking out. So we're talking about the Elisis Command Mesh Kit today. And if you're in the market for an electronic drum set, this is definitely one to consider. What's really cool about this kit is that it comes with all mesh heads. And yeah, that means a way more authentic playing experience. You can really get that feel of hitting an acoustic kit, which, let's be real, is what we're all after, right? The response is super responsive, and I've found the dynamic range to be pretty impressive for a set at this price point. Now, the module that comes with the command mesh is pretty packed with features. You've got over 600 sounds, and you can layer those and tweak them to create custom kits, which is pretty sweet. Plus, the ability to connect to a computer via USB or even plug in your phone to jam along with your favorite tracks, that's a big plus. The recording function is also a great tool for practice or for content creators out there looking to share their skills. In terms of build quality, the elisis Command Mesh feels sturdy. It's strong enough to take a beating, figuratively speaking, of course, but it's super important for those of us who play a bit harder. However, just keep in mind that while the rack is solid, it does have a bit of a footprint, so make sure you've got enough space where you plan to set it up. All in all, for the price, features, and the feel of the mesh heads, this kit's going to be a solid choice for both beginners and more experienced drummers looking for a good practice kit. So let's dive right into the Yamaha DTX 6K3X electronic drum kit. First things that's pretty cool here is the kit's module, the DTX Pro. I mean, it's got some serious processing power. It allows you to really tweak and fiddle with the sounds, which, for enthusiasts, it's a dream come true. You've got this kit modifier feature that lets you mess with the ambience, compression, and effects in real time. That's pretty neat for on-the-fly adjustments when you're practicing or even performing, I guess. Now, about the pads, they're pretty impressive. Yamaha went with their TCS, the textured cellular silicone heads, for the snare and tom pads. And let me tell you, this gives a really natural and a realistic stick response. It's kind of like you're hitting an acoustic drum. They've nailed the dynamics too, which is, super important if you're trying to express yourself fully. Plus, the cymbal pads are, they're 3-zone, which means you can get different sounds from the edge, the bow, and the bell, just like a real cymbal. Now, if there's a downside, it's probably going to be the price for some folks. It's definitely on the higher end, but then again, it's kind of an investment, right? You're getting top quality Yamaha sounds, and the built-in training functions are great for drummers who want to improve their skills. So would I say it's worth it? If you're serious about drumming and plan to use it to its full potential, absolutely. The Yamaha DTX 6K3X is like, it's a powerhouse that's going to grow with you as you get better. So yeah, that's pretty much what you're looking at with this kit. Hey folks, thanks for sticking with me till the end. So, that's pretty much the lowdown on the best electronic drum sets out there right now. I hope this review helped you make up your mind, or at the very least, gave you a better idea of what's cooking in the world of electronic percussion. Oh, and remember, if any of these drum sets caught your eye, you can find all the links right down there in the description. Easy to click, easy to check out, and maybe snag one for yourself if you feel like it. And hey, if you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It's a small thing, but man, it means a lot to me, and it'll keep you updated on all the newest reviews I've got coming. Got a question? Maybe there's something I missed, or you need more deets on a specific drum set? Just drop me a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys, and I'll definitely try to get back to as many as I can. Also, take some time to peruse my other videos. I've got a bunch on all sorts of tech. Who knows what other goodies you might find, right? Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys next time with more insights and reviews. Keep rocking and take care.